Finally, we'll have a name on the building. Research and Learning Center.
Everyone is waiting for this building. Finally, it's here. Very nice.
The Research and Learning Center is a brand new building, and now we're just putting the final touches before the big event tomorrow.
Okay.
Our first event at the RLC. This is the Shark Ray 360 Bowmouth Population Viability Analysis Workshop. Basically, we gathered international researchers, aquarium representatives, and government officials to come together to discuss the next steps for the conservation of the Bowmouth guitarfish species.
As one of the few facilities in the world to have successfully raised the Bowmouth guitarfish from pup to adult, Singapore Oceanarium is deeply committed to this cause. We look forward to the knowledge exchange over the next few days with the international experts gathered here.
We had over 60 attendees to the Shark Ray 360 workshop.
How we feed this habitat behind me.
I think it's a success for the Oceanarium to be able to attract that caliber of people and the number of people to be able to come together and really concentrate and focus our conversations and our actions in a more coordinated way.
I think for me and the team, we've always wanted to host events of such scale.
All right, everybody, big smiles, okay? 1, 2, 3. All right, this is history right here.
Now that we have this brand new space, it'll be very useful for us to really host anything from educational seminars and workshops to large-scale conferences.
With this building, we are moving towards becoming an aquarium-based conservation institution.
The Research and Learning Centre is important now because of the state of the marine environment that we see. It's changed in the last decade or two. Now is the time to really advance all of the conservation work and inspiring young generations for a better future.
Just like how the Bowmouth PVA workshop is the first step in planning for the conservation of the species, the Research and Learning Center paves the way for SGO to move from being an attraction towards its ambition to become an institution.